Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Marketplace is not available to you on Facebook. So guys, when you have open your Marketplace option on Facebook and facing this type of issue that your Marketplace is not available, I'll help you how to get Marketplace. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, after this you have to open your Play Store. And guys, now you have to search your Facebook. After this you need to open your Facebook, and guys, update your Facebook app if not updated. So guys, maybe you are using oldest version of Facebook, therefore you are not showing many of features. So guys, when you have update your Facebook, then guys, you will see all the updated features on your Facebook app. And guys, after this, if still not fix your problem and facing this type of issue again and again, you have to open your Facebook app, and guys, you have to click on three lines, and guys, you have to scroll below. From here you have to click on settings and privacy, and guys, now you have to click on privacy shortcuts, and guys, now you need to scroll it down. And guys, from here you have to click on see more privacy settings, and you have to scroll it below for more, and here is the option of navigation bar. And guys, from here you have to click on customize the bar. From here guys, you will see the option of Marketplace. Simply you have to pin this Marketplace. If it is clicked on hide or auto, you have to pin this one. And guys, after this you will get this Marketplace option on your Facebook. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still not showing Marketplace, then guys, you have to scroll it down. From here you will see the help and support, and guys, you have to click on here the option of report a problem. And guys, after this you have to report your problem. So guys, simply you have to first turn it off and click on report a problem, click on report a problem. And guys, now you have to wait for some seconds, click on include, and from here you have to select any reason. So guys, my reason is Marketplace are not showing, and here you need to write your problem that you are not having the option of Marketplace. And guys, after writing your problem, you have to send your appeal. Within few minutes they will review your appeal and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.